Now class 10, question number 6-5. It is given 3 root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 5 minus 1. Now you have to write same thing, 2 root 5 minus 1, 2 root 5 1, 2 root 5 1. Only minus sign will change into plus sign when you are rationalizing. It is the condition in rationalizing. Okay. Now you can see in the upper one all the things are different. So what you will do, multiply this with this and multiply this with this. Okay, what I have done, 3 root 2 into 2 root 5. Now see, outside one, outside you have 3 and 2, means 3 2s are 6, and inside you have 2 and 5, so 2 5s are 10, root 10. Okay, now again 3 root 2 multiply with plus 1, so plus, only plus will come. 3 root 2 multiply with 1, 3 root 2 only. Now plus 1 will multiply with 2 root 5 will give you 2 root 5, plus 1 will multiply with plus 1, it will give you plus 1, divided by, it is in formula only, a minus b, a plus b, it will come a square minus b square. Okay, now you can see we will not be able to add anything because all things are different inside the root. Here it is 10, here it is 2, here it is 5, and here too it is 1. Okay, we will not be able to add, so I am keeping as it is, and it is the denominator is coming in formula, a minus b, a plus b will give you a square minus b square. A is 2 root 5 and b is 1. So 2 square will give you 4, root will cancel, 5 will left, 1 square will give you 1. Okay, now 4 5s are 20, 20 minus 1 will give you 19. So this is the answer only. 6 ka 6, 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 by 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3. This is the question. I am rationalizing here. So what I have done, I am writing same thing, 3 root 2, 2 root 3, 3 root 2, 2 root 3, 3 root 2, 2 root 3. Only I am changing the symbol. Here it is minus and I am writing plus here. Now same thing you will do, 3 root 2 will multiply with 3 root 2. So inside, outside one 3 3, 3 3s are 9, and inside one 2 2, 2 2s are 4. So inside one I am writing 4 and outside I am writing 9. Now again 3 root 2 will multiply with 2 root 3. So in outside 3, outside 2, 3 2s are 6, inside root 2, inside root 3. So 2 3s are 6. Now this one I will take plus 2 root 3, 3 root 2. Inside, outside 2, outside 2. So it will come 2 3s are 6, inside 3, inside 3, 3 2s are 6, root 6. Now plus 2 root 3 will multiply with 2 root 3. So in outside we have 2 2, 2 2s are 4, root 3 into root 3, root 9. Okay, understood I think. Now in this one it is in formula a minus b, a plus b. So a square minus b square. A is full, okay, 3 root 2, and b is this one, 2 root 3. Now this one you can see root of 4 is 2, so we can write 2, 9 2s are, okay, 6 root 6, 6 root 6. Now see, inside the root you have same thing, root 6 means 6 6. You can add this to plus 6 will give you plus and I have written here, and 12 root 6. 6 plus 6 will give you 12 and root 6 will remain as it is. Now see here 4 I have written here, and inside you have root 9, and root 9 value is 3. You all know, you have done this one. So I'm getting like this. Now this one 3 ka square will give you 9, and root and square will cancel, 2 will remain as it is. Okay, 2 ka square will give you 4, and root and square will cancel, 3 you will get. Now you will ask why I am doing square of this, because with 3 we have no square, no root, so we will not be able to cancel root and square. That is why 3 will give you square, and 3 square will be 9. But with 2 you have root, so root and square will cancel, only you will get 2. Okay, same thing I have done. With 2 you have no root, so root and square will not cancel, you have to do square of this. So 2 square will give you 4, and root 3 and 2, with 3 you have root, so root and square will cancel, only you will get 3. Now you can see 9 2s are 18, 4 3s are 12, and this one I am writing in the next page as it is. See, okay, 18 plus 12 root 6 plus 12, and in the down you can see this one, 9 2s are 18, 4 3s are 12, means 18 minus 12. So I am writing 18 minus 12. Now see, 18 and plus 12 will give you 30, and plus 12 root 6 you have to write as it is, by 18 minus 12 will give you 6. Okay, now you can take 6 as a common from numerator. 6 5s are 30. So when I am taking 6 as a common, 5 will left. 6 2s are 12. When I will take 6 as a common, 2 will left. 2 root 6 by 6. Now 6 1s will cancel. 5 plus 2 root 6. होमवर्क is 6 का 2. Okay.